Welcome back to Space Kids. Today, we are traveling back in time, all the way to the very beginning of everything. The beginning of the universe itself. This is the story of the Big Bang. Let's imagine something hard to believe. Everything, all the stars, planets, galaxies, and even space and time, was once packed into a single, tiny point. Smaller than an atom. This point was unimaginably hot and dense. Then, about 13.8 billion years ago, something incredible happened. It expanded, suddenly and rapidly, in what scientists call the Big Bang. Now, you might be wondering, did something explode? Not exactly. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was the expansion of space itself. In that instant, the universe began to grow, and it's still expanding today. The beginning of everything. At first, the universe was too hot for even atoms to exist. It was filled with tiny particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons, moving at incredible speeds. As the universe expanded, it cooled down. After about 3 minutes, the first light elements, hydrogen and helium, began to form. 380,000 years later, the universe cooled enough for atoms to join together. Light was finally able to travel freely. That ancient light still exists today, and scientists can detect it. It's called the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. It's like a faint glow left over from the Big Bang, filling the entire universe. The scientists behind the Big Bang theory. The idea of the Big Bang started with a Belgian priest and scientist named Georges Lemaitre in the 1920s. He called it the primeval atom, the idea that the universe began from one tiny point. At first, many scientists were not convinced. Even Albert Einstein doubted it. He believed the universe had always existed and stayed the same. But later, when more evidence appeared, Einstein admitted that Lemaitre might have been right. In 1929, an American astronomer named Edwin Hubble made a major discovery. He observed that galaxies were moving away from us, and that the farther a galaxy was, the faster it moved. This meant the universe was expanding, just as the Big Bang theory predicted. Then, in 1965, two scientists, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, accidentally discovered a faint background noise while working with a radio antenna. That noise turned out to be the cosmic microwave background, the leftover radiation from the Big Bang itself. Their discovery gave strong proof that the Big Bang really happened, and they won the Nobel Prize in Physics for it. What happened after the Big Bang? As the universe continued to expand, matter began to gather under the force of gravity. Clouds of gas came together to form the first stars. These stars grouped into galaxies, vast collections of billions of stars. Over billions of years, new stars were born and old ones died, creating heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. Those elements would one day form planets and even life. Our Sun and solar system formed about 4.5 billion years ago from the remains of earlier stars. In a way, everything around us, even you and me, came from that same cosmic beginning. The evidence for the Big Bang. Scientists today have strong evidence that supports the Big Bang theory. First, the galaxies are moving apart, proving the universe is still expanding. Second, we can detect the cosmic microwave background, the leftover glow from the early universe. Third, the amount of hydrogen and helium in space matches exactly what the theory predicts. Even though we understand a lot, there are still mysteries. We don't know what caused the Big Bang. And we don't fully understand what happened in the very first moments, the fraction of a second before everything began. Some scientists believe the universe might have gone through periods of rapid expansion, called inflation. Others wonder if there could be many universes, a multiverse, beyond our own. The universe today. The universe is still expanding and it's getting faster. This strange acceleration is caused by something scientists call dark energy, a mysterious force we still don't understand. Today, the universe is about 13.8 billion years old and it continues to grow larger every second. When we look at the night sky, we are actually looking back in time. The light from distant stars and galaxies has traveled for billions of years to reach us. So, when we observe space, we are seeing the history of the universe itself, a story that began with the Big Bang. From a tiny spark to an endless universe, the Big Bang marks the beginning of everything we know and everything we still don't. It reminds us how small we are and how connected we are to the stars and galaxies around us. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through time and space. Stay tuned for the next episode of Space Kids, where we'll explore more of the wonders of our amazing universe.